What's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you, XRP holders? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin. So that's a congratulations news for all XRP holders, because now at this time the XRP is ready to the moon. Are you ready to the moon or not? XRP is ready to the moon, absolutely, because the latest changes of coin, the XRP Ripple coin is going positive. The price start increasing. Absolutely, if the changes is positive, if the price is going to increase, so absolutely XRP will make you millionaire very soon. But if you're a long-term investor, but if you're short-term investor, nothing you will get. If you're a long-term investor, so you will get a high amount of profit from the XRP Ripple coin. So that's clear. For profit you have to hold for a long time. Anyways, my friends, the price of the XRP is not very high now. The price in a decimal, so the price is low, I think. If you want to invest in XRP Ripple coin, so I think that's good. It's a good idea for all of you, my friends. Invest more and more in the XRP Ripple coin and hold for long term. How much you hold, you will get high amount of profit. Now at this time the situation of the XRP Ripple coin is going good. Latest last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, everything is okay in the XRP Ripple coin is positive. So that's why I'm feeling satisfied about the XRP Ripple coin. Anyways, personally, every time I really love XRP Ripple coin. You can see here, XRP is my favorite cryptocurrencies. Hope you like this video. My prediction, my opinion is positive about XRP Ripple coin. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and please subscribe now for more news and updates videos.